This is my TP-Link Easy Smart Switch. I'm going to show you how I have it connected and why I need it. The double metal casing is very sturdy, and you'll see I'm only using 6 of the 8 ports available, and one of those ports is for my Euro Pro 6 router, which only has one outgoing Ethernet port, hence the need for additional outlets to support my other devices. You'll also notice there's either a green or yellow flashing light by each Ethernet cord. My Cat8 cables are showing green, I think just because it recognizes it has the capacity to go to 1 gig. And the power outlet is on the back. But probably my favorite feature is the utility. You can download the software or just go in within your browser and set quality of service by port. So my streaming devices, for example, I set at medium priority and the router at highest priority. And then some of my other lights and other non-essential items as a lower priority. This is exactly what I was looking for. I needed a switch where I could connect multiple devices and hardwire them to my internet. This solved the problem for me.